Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, and you actually don't need to take off the case of your device as it is exposed. So that's where the tray is. I'm going to push the pin in, and this will pop out the tray enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards, so one on each side. There we go. Place the card on the tray, like so. Make sure that it is clipped in place correctly all the way. It should not be protruding from the tray, and it should definitely not be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. Next, pop it back into your device, and wait for the SIM card to be recognized by the phone. There we go. So I do have a SIM card pin. Once I confirm that, it's gonna unlock it, and that's it. The card is now ready to go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.